The psychology of a person who knows how to fix everything is not about saving money today. It is a deep state of neurological survival and absolute internal control. Most people are living as helpless spectators in a fragile matrix. When something breaks in your house, your instinctual reaction reveals your true identity matrix. You can either fall into a state of panic or trigger your long-term logic. The fixer immediately reaches for the tools of deliberate action now. Every object you repair with your own hands is a concrete brick of mental self-efficacy. It is the physical proof that your decisions have power over your environment. Stop outsourcing your basic capabilities to a system that wants you weak. The modern world is engineered to make everything disposable and completely temporary today. It creates a population that replaces things instead of understanding the machine. You are burying your true potential under a mountain of convenience now. When you sit down under a dark sink with a broken pipe, you enter a state of deep focus. Your prefrontal cortex activates to calculate a path through the chaotic mess. This active engagement is the only natural cure for your anxiety today. The path to real mastery requires you to sit with discomfort until the answer appears. You'll feel utterly frustrated when you fail and try again alone at your silent desk. But those who cross the line of frustration will build a permanent power tomorrow. Small repairs inside your house are the hidden exercises that train your nervous system. Your life is a mechanical clock that requires maintenance and consistent logic. Stop avoiding the friction and start choosing the discipline of the craft now. Wealth is not the amount of things you can buy, but the number of things you can control. It is the power to look at a broken world and say, I know exactly what to do. Real freedom is the only currency that never loses its value tonight. The invisible chains of anxiety are built when you believe you cannot change your outcome. They keep you submissive and dependent on a platform to come make it go away. Then. Cut the ties today and reclaim your internal locus of control right now. You must choose between the minor pain of discipline or the heavy weight of lifetime regret. One path leads to the summit of clarity while the other leads to the fog. Your destiny is not a matter of luck, but a matter of your daily habits. Your spirit is a powerful engine that is currently trapped inside a cage of easy paths. Kintsugi logic is the key to that cage and the only way to illuminate flaws. Stop feeding the sheep in your mind and start feeding the wolf of success. The world does not care about your confusion, it only cares about the results you create. You can spend a lifetime complaining about a leak that you never try to block. Action is the language of the masters and the only way to be free tonight. Every gear you fix is a silent promise to your future self that you will never collapse. The mindset of the craftsman is the bridge between the earth and the gods. Stop negotiating with your laziness, because it truly wants you to fail now. Today is the day you decide to kill the old version of you that was addicted to comfort. Walk through the fire of hard work and let it burn away your old gray life. Growth begins exactly where your comfort zone finally comes to end today. True wealth begins the moment you realize that no problem is completely out of your reach. Walk toward the white light of logic and build your own empire from scratch. The matrix of helplessness only exists as long as you believe in it now.